so bright. Okay. I think we did. Hey, what's up guys? It's Cherjay and welcome back to my channel. We are back. So I decided to sit down real quick after my workout to film with you guys in this new space. But today we are doing a little product review on this thing here. It is called Elizavecca Milky Piggy. Don't ask me. I have no clue. I have no idea. Now, I believe this is a Korean brand. I believe this is in Korean. I am not Korean. I am not Japanese. I'm not Chinese. None of that. I'm not Filipino either, okay? In case y'all is wondering. This is in a foreign language and I can't read it. None of it. The only thing I can read is step 1, 2, and 3. That's about all I can read. And then there's illustration. I like visuals. Here's the back. Step 1 is this dude right here. Is this black stuff, I guess, is gonna go into the pores. Step 2 is gonna pull it out. And then step 3 is just gonna wipe. So we'll see, I've never tried this. I've actually got this product from a friend of mine. She bought a bunch of these, I believe from Amazon. So she gave me one to try. She loves it, so I'm gonna test it out and let y'all know if it is as good as she says it is. Here's some more info on this, okay? So on Amazon, it is $3.99 and it got 4 stars out of 5. Here's what it says on Amazon. It's actually in English. So the feature about this item is step 1, it will open and clear up pores by cotton mask. Step 2, absorbing blackhead by nose pack. And then step 3 is pore tightening care by biocellulose mask. The ingredients are green tea extract, lavender extract, I can't say these words, extract, aloe vera leaf extract, damn, a whole lot of extract, apple extract, lemon extract, lime extract, chamomile extract, peppermint extract, and grapefruit extract, and it says etc. So there's so much extract, they couldn't even list it all on here. Okay, so step 1, we're just gonna open it up. Okay. We done washed our face, attach the cotton sheet to your nose, and take it off after 10 to 15 minutes. Okay. Ooh, it smells good. Okay, so I got a little mirror right here. So we're gonna attach it to the cotton to your nose. Okay. I'm just like pressing it in. So it says 10 to 15 minutes. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and set a timer for 10 minutes. Okay, stop, shut up. All right, so we back, it's been 10 minutes. Let's see what the directions say here. Take it off after 10-15 minutes. Okay, it's taken off. Wipe off the sebum calm out of pores. Whoa, okay, this is a little nasty there. I thought this was a joke. Okay, I need something to wipe off this shit. BRB. Okay, so there's a little bit of nasty, okay? I'm just gonna zoom y'all in so you can see the nasty on my nose. It's so embarrassing. Why am I doing that? Okay, I'm gonna keep on zooming in. Okay. My teeth look nice though. Okay. Let's see. Okay, so you can't see it. Probably can't see it. Well, that's probably a good thing because that is just way too close for comfort, okay? But anyhow, we're supposed to wipe off the sebum. Okay, there is some cheese noodles up in heels. Step 2, wipe around your nose with water. take out the step 2 sheet. God damn it, I got no fucking water with me. BRB. Okay, we back. We done wiped our nose, okay? With water. Wet around your nose with water. Take out step 2 sheet by dry hand and remove the clear film. Okay. Let's dry our hands. This is step 2. I'm hungry too. I need to eat. Remove the clear film. Attach it on the pink side and take it off after 10-15 minutes. Good God. Damn. Why is it so long? So this reminds me of like a Biore strip. Okay. This is already way too damn long for me. I got no patience. 10 minutes. We'll be back. Alright, so we is back. It's been 10 minutes. So, it says, oh my God. Okay, so we have to remove this. It's nice and dry and crusty, just like the Biore strip. So we're gonna remove this. Ooh, you nasty. You is nasty. So I'll show you. It's just like the Biore strip. So it definitely pulls some nasty. So step 3. Take out the biocellulose mask and remove the film on both sides and attach it to your nose. Okay. Another strip. Remove the film on both sides. So which piece is it? Is it the clear piece? I think it, oh yeah, I think it is this clear piece right here. Okay. Attach it to your nose. This is a lot of freaking work. That's all I'm saying. I'm hungry. All right, so another 10 minutes. This is a 30 damn minute process. Like, I'm not about this life. 10 minutes on the clock. Oh, it's finally time. 10 minutes is gone by again. So now it's a total of 30 minutes. Okay, after 10-15 minutes, take it off and pat lightly nose to make the remaining ingredients to be absorbed properly. All right, so that is it. My final thoughts on this. It pulled a little bit of sebum, it did. But the amount of time you have to invest in this 3-step process, honestly, is not worth it. Like, I don't know about you, but I ain't got time to sit here for 30 minutes and do this whole thing. Get yourself a Biore strip, wash your damn face, plop it on your nose, 10 minutes later, peel it off, you're good to go, moisturize the face, good night, goodbye. So if y'all wanna try it, I'm gonna go ahead, link to Amazon below for y'all to get it if you wanna try it, but that's my thoughts, that's my opinion. Just the whole, I'm impatient. It was just way too long. Ain't nobody got time for that. So let me do a little close up to kind of show you my nose, even though it looks the same besides it's moisturized. Whoa. Yeah, let's zoom in. So here's my nose. Unimpressed. Unimpressed. Alright guys, that is it for this product review. Hopefully you guys learned a little something about the Elizavecca Milky Piggy product. If you like it, I'll link it below. Check it out. If not, that's cool. I ain't gonna do it again. But anyhow, if you guys like this video, make sure you guys give it a big fat thumbs up. If you're not subscribed, make sure you hit that subscribe button below. If you guys haven't already, make sure you guys hit the notification bell to be notified each and every time I upload a video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and until next time, deuces. If you guys have any questions or comments, make sure you leave that below. My nose itches.